But especially as we head into the weekend, that's going to start kind of flushing itself out. So temperatures are even going to cool down a little bit, which will be welcome, I think, with what we've got coming. So yeah, triple-digit heat indices are going to be on the way, and again with the heat and the humidity we'll have and a front sliding through eventually here, that'll bring in some potential for strong to severe storms. You can see not a huge risk for us across the state tomorrow. Areas to the northwest will have the best potential tomorrow night of kind of a weakening line that'll be pushing its way on in. Otherwise, across the rest of the state, a level 1 risk, but that ramps up into the day on Wednesday as we've got nearly half of the state under a level 3 risk on a scale that goes up to 5. And as it sits right now, large hail, damaging winds, and even tornadoes will all be possible as a line fires up in the afternoon around central portions of the state and races its way to the east. And then we'll still carry at least some risk throughout the day on Thursday too, though at this point that risk is a little bit more uncertain. It really depends on what clears out early on Thursday, what lingers, and how those storms will impact the remainder of our severe weather threat. So as we head into tonight, we'll have again a decaying line off to the northwest into the day tomorrow. We're up to 92 degrees, and that feels like temperature likely going to be into the low triple digits. But in the evening, you can see that area of storms largely relegated to that northwestern portion of the state Wednesday afternoon. More showers, more thunderstorms percolating. And here's that line by 4, maybe 5 p.m. We'll see how much this can get going. If it doesn't get going that quick, that's going to continue to push that area of concern a little bit further to the east. But with the variables that we have in place and a cold front sliding through, it is still fairly likely that we see severe weather across at least the eastern half of the viewing area. Thursday, we'll bring in showers, we'll bring in the potential for thunderstorms, but look at the rain and look at how much cloud cover we have even at noon. Yeah, it's really going to depend what of that lingers and what of that clears on Thursday to dictate what our best chances are for strong to severe storms. As far as rainfall is concerned, you can see by 1 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, a lot of that activity is through central and even eastern portions of the state. We see those storms roll through on Thursday. That could bring an inch or two up through the northern half of the state or so. So muggy meter, we're going to catch a break here soon, but it's going to take us a few days. Dew points drop from the low 70s over the next couple days down into the 60s on Thursday and Friday. Oh, it's not even going to be humid. We're talking, upper 50s. Some of us are only going to be topping out in the 70s, but a short break from that as we crank right back up into the upper 60s for dew points into the weekend. So we are weather impact tomorrow for heat and weather alert for storms for your Wednesday, as we could see again all of those threats: large hail, damaging winds, and even tornadoes in the afternoon and evening time frame. Behind that, though, we do cool down. We're in the 70s by Sunday, mid 70s to start next week.